Hello everybody, so today I will talk about algebra. The topic today is find the value of this one. So they just given the value of this one and this one. So I will show the technique how to answer the question. We need to put E equals for this one, F equals for y over b, and G equals for z over c. And now we need to change everything in here. So this should be about E, F, G. This one is upside down of S over A, so we got about 1 over E, 1 over F, and 1 over G. The next one, this is about S over A, everything to the power of 2. So this should be about E to the power of 2, F to the power of 2, and G is about G to the power of 2. Now we need to consider about the second equation. If we do about common denominator, you will got about FG plus EG plus EF. In this one we have EFG equals to number 0. To get the value of 0 in here, that should be in this one. That's it on this one. Now we have the second equation. Let's see about E plus F plus G to the power of 2 equals to, for this one, plus 2 multiplied for this one. So now this one is about the square root number 3. This one equals to number 0. So we just input the number in here. So this one we got about 3. This one we got about 0, so we cancel that. And now we can find the value for this one. And that's about equal to number 3. That's the end. Thank you for watching.